Good morning, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest update. This is the weather analysis for this Tuesday to Thursday, January 23 to 25, 2024. And this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion, and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat. As we said, we have another surge of the Northeast Monsoon approaching Luzon. It is likely to reach northern Luzon today. Okay, and by tomorrow it will dig down across the eastern sections of central Luzon, and it will penetrate across Metro Manila and also over the Bicol region for the next 48 hours, and on Thursday it will approach eastern Visayas. So by tomorrow it will be upon us here in Bicol region, so expect slightly lower temperatures and increasing wind speeds from the northeast of up to 50 kph, gustiness, and also there will be a possibility of some rain showers, even thunderstorms if we have another shear line, but there might be a shear line beginning tomorrow or Thursday until Friday. So watch out or bring your umbrellas, okay, or rain gear, as another surge of the monsoon is approaching our country. And we have the prevailing easterlies affecting Bicol region and eastern Visayas as well as eastern Mindanao, but for the next 24 hours the northeast monsoon will replace this wind system over the Bicol region. And outside of PAR, we don't have any developing tropical disturbances, although we have a surface trough from the latest satellite animation. This is the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page, CIMSS. So there you go. This is an area of developing convection, and so far this is just a surface trough, not yet a certified LPA. And we have here the Northeast Monsoon starting to move down across northern Luzon. Here's the zoom in satellite animation, showing to you the cloudiness associated with this surface trough to the south of Guam. And here comes the Northeast Monsoon moving downwards across northern Luzon, and it's expected to reach Bicol region tomorrow, okay, and it will prevail through Friday or Saturday. So expect cooler temperatures once again, and some drizzles to light rains expected. And the coastal waters will again be moderate to rough. Okay, we will show to you the latest on the wave forecast. Here's the wind forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com, for the next 3 days until Friday. So today it's already affecting extreme northern Luzon, and by tomorrow's Wednesday it will engulf the coastal areas of northern and central Luzon, including Bicol region. So expect wind speeds of up to 50 kph and increasing wave heights of up to 3 or 3.5 meters. And on Thursday it will be still over the Bicol region, but increasing wind speeds will be expected over extreme northern Luzon as the northeast monsoon starts to weaken, although parts of the gale winds or the gale force winds of up to 50 kph are still concentrated over Bicol region by Thursday. And on Friday it will still remain over Bicol, but it will extend across Sulu Archipelago, Sibuyan Sea, as well as the eastern sections of Visayas. So expect some rains or thunderstorms depending on the strength of the shear line. Okay, I'm gonna show to you now the rain forecast from the European model. So this is tomorrow, Wednesday, and it looks like we have a mild shear line that will develop by tomorrow, Wednesday, and it will persist through Thursday, but it will move into the area of Masbate and northern Samar, and on Friday it will move farther south across Visayas and Eastern Mindanao. So don't forget to bring your rain gear, umbrellas for possible rainfall, and also a possibility of flooding in flood-prone areas of these areas of Visayas and Eastern Mindanao. And over the Bicol region, we are expecting some good weather by Friday as the shear line moves farther to the south. And as for the rainfall accumulation forecast through Friday, so we expect again some rainfall across Cagayan Valley, okay, particularly the coastal areas, and also the coastal areas and inland areas of Bicol region. So we expect another rainfall that will happen for the next 2 days because of the Northeast Monsoon and the shear line. Okay, so expect that through Friday. And before we leave you, here's the wave forecast. So today, it's still around 2.5 meters across the eastern coastal areas of coastal waters of the Philippine Islands. But over extreme northern Luzon, it's already around 3 to 5 meters in height because of the blast of the Northeast Monsoon. By tomorrow, Wednesday, it will move down across the eastern sections of Luzon. So the waves will increase from 2.5 to around almost 5 meters or 4.6 meters. So this is the wave height by tomorrow. And on Thursday, the wave height will remain rough, okay, around 2 to 4 meters, and as well as here across the eastern coastal waters of Visayas and Mindanao, it will be around 3 to 4 meters as well, okay, and here across the West Philippine Sea, around 3.5 meters, while the inland areas is okay, 1 to 2 meters. So it will be moderate to slightly rough. So just please take all necessary precautions and avoid fishing for the meantime, beginning tomorrow, Wednesday, through Friday or Saturday. Okay. On Friday, same wave height. This is around 3 meters to 4 meters across eastern Visayas, across the eastern coastal waters of eastern Visayas, and also here over the West Philippine Sea, it's around 2.5 to 3 meters, while over the inland waters over the Sulu Archipelago, it will be around 2 to 2.5 meters. Over the Sibuyan Sea, west of Bicol, it is around 1.5 meters. Okay, so there you go. That's the English version of our update for this Tuesday, January 23. And we will be back this weekend to give you more updates on the weather from Typhoon2000. This is Mike Padua saying a good day to all. And thank you so much for watching our channel.